Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is XX Mr. Violator XX on Xbox Live on Minecraft, Xbox 360 Pocket Edition. And I made a little something for y'all, a little TNT house. And I got the help of a friend named Young Carlos 14. Feel free to search him up on Xbox Live. So I'm going to give you a little tour real quick. And just to let you know, he's inside the TNT house to do suicide. He says he's going to do it for fun. He's in there, as you can see on the top screen, up here, right here, and just blow us up. As you can see, the remains. We blew this up. We blew everything up. Here's Carlos. He's all bloody or something. I don't know. He glitched out. Right here. I don't know. He's all bloody, I guess. And says he died. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Come out with